Hey everyone, today we're talking about a mini PC that actually does what most cheap mini PCs only promise. You know the ones I mean, the tiny boxes that overheat after 20 minutes of YouTube or can't even run a browser without stuttering. This isn't one of those. The KEEPHAPY Mini Gaming PC packs a 12th Gen Intel Core i9-12900HK and an RTX 3050Ti into a chassis smaller than a shoebox, and it actually stays cool while doing it. Link is in the description if you want to check the product details on Amazon. First up, the performance is legit. That i9-12900HK is a beast for its size, and pairing it with 32GB of DDR4 RAM means you can run multiple virtual machines, edit 4K video in Premiere Pro, or even handle some light gaming without breaking a sweat. I tried running a couple of VMs, a 4K YouTube stream, and a game in the background, and it handled everything without a single stutter. That's something most mini PCs can't claim, especially not at this price point. Speaking of 4K, the triple display setup is a game changer for productivity or even just multitasking. It comes with two HDMI 2.0 ports and one DisplayPort, so you can hook up three 4K monitors at once. I set it up with two 4K TVs and a 4K monitor for a productivity powerhouse, and it worked flawlessly. No weird scaling issues, no lag, just crisp, smooth visuals across all three screens. If you're someone who needs to juggle spreadsheets, design work, or just a ton of browser tabs, this setup is a dream. Storage and speed are also where this mini PC shines. It comes with a 1TB PCIe 4.0 SSD, which is blazing fast. Boot times are under 10 seconds, and file transfers are nearly instantaneous. I copied over a 50GB project folder, and it was done in under a minute. That's not something you'd expect from a mini PC, but here we are. Plus, PCIe 4.0 means it's future-proofed for a while, so you won't have to worry about upgrading storage anytime soon. Connectivity is another area where this mini PC stands out. It's got Wi-Fi 6E, which is the latest and greatest in wireless tech, so your internet speeds stay buttery smooth even if you're streaming, gaming, or downloading large files. Bluetooth 5.2 is also included, which is great for wireless peripherals like headphones or keyboards. And if you're someone who prefers a wired connection, the 2.5G LAN port ensures you get the fastest, most stable connection possible. No more lag spikes or dropped connections, just reliable performance. Now, let's talk about the design. It's sleek, it's compact, and it's got RGB lighting that actually looks good. The RGB isn't over the top, it's subtle and customizable, so you can match it to your setup or just turn it off if you prefer a more minimal look. The cooling system is also well designed, with multiple heat pipes and a large fan to keep everything running cool under load. I ran a stress test for about 30 minutes, and the temps stayed well within safe limits. No throttling, no overheating, just consistent performance. For ports, it's got you covered. You've got 4 USB 3.0 ports for your peripherals, 2 USB 2.0 ports for older devices, and the HDMI and DisplayPort for your monitors. It's not the most extensive port selection, but it's more than enough for most users. If you need more, you can always add a USB hub or a docking station. Pros-wise, this mini PC delivers on performance, cooling, and connectivity without taking up much space. The triple display setup is a huge plus for productivity, and the RGB lighting adds a nice touch without being obnoxious. On the downside, the port selection is a bit limited if you're used to full-size desktops, and the price is higher than your average mini PC. But if you're looking for something that can actually handle serious workloads without breaking a sweat, this is a solid choice. If you're in the market for a mini PC that doesn't cut corners, this KEEPHAPY model is worth considering. It's powerful, it's compact, and it's got the features to back it up. The link is below if you want to check it out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.